and your CNF. You are finding the CNF of the following Boolean expression. Boolean expression by truth table. We are using the truth table, and your expression is f of x, y, z equal to xy plus y, z complement. Okay, so this is your question, and we have to find out your DNF, CNF. So before finding out your DNF, CNF, we will find out your truth table. So x, y, and your z. So we'll put assign the values 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, and then 1, 0, 0. Then 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So these are the values for your x, y, and z. Okay. According to your condition, you're able to see till here, isn't it? Yes. Board full therida. You able to
Yes,
see?
ma'am.
Okay. So first I'm writing all the values for your x, y, and z. Next in your question, they've asked you xy plus yz z complement. Okay. So first we'll find out xy, or we'll find out your z complement. What is your z complement? Whatever you've got, you will write the next term. That will become your complement. So what it will be? For your 1, your z complement, you all tell me so that it will be easy for you. Tell me. Your z complement for 1, it will become 0. For 1, it will become 0. For 0, it will become 1. Then for 1, what will be your complement?
Zero.
And unmute yourself.
Zero, ma'am.
0. Then 0 will become 1. Tell me. 1, it will become
Zero.
0.
0, 0, 1,
Very
1.
fun. Very good. Okay, so that's how you find out your complement. Next, you have to find out for your, this is your Boolean expression. For that Boolean expression, you have to find, after finding out your Boolean expression, we will have to find out your DNF and your CNF. Okay, so what is your XY? Your XY is nothing but you're going to multiply your X into Y. When you're multiplying, 1 dot 1 will become 1, 1 dot 0 will become 0. Similarly, for 0 dot 1, it will become 0, 0 dot 0 will become 0. Okay, now tell me what will be your xy? 1 dot 1, it will be 1,
1,
1.
1 dot 1,
1,
then 1
0,
dot 0, 0,
0,
1 dot 0,
0,
0, 0,
0,
0 dot 0 is also 0, 0, and 0. Very good. Okay, so that's how you find out your xy. Next, we are going to find out your yz complement. Okay, we are going to find out your yz complement. That is this one and this one. Okay, so 1 dot. Again, you're going to do product with it. So 1 dot 0 will be 0. 1 dot 1, 1. 0 dot 0, 0. Very good. 0 dot 1, 0. 1 dot 0, 0. 0 dot 0, 0. 1 dot 1, 1. 0 dot 0. Okay, so this is how you do your multiplication. Next is your sum. When you're doing your sum, what you have to do? xy plus yz complement. You're adding it. Okay. When you're adding it, what you have to do? You're gonna add this one and this one. Okay. So when you're adding it, 1 plus 0 or 1 plus 1 will also be 1 only. Okay. So 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. And 0 plus 0. So this is how you find out the truth table for the Boolean expression. They have given you this Boolean expression and they have told you to find out the truth table. Have you understood your truth table? So the same thing which you have learned in your data structure is the same thing only we are doing it here. Okay. Next, you have to find out your DNF, CNF. Any doubts in this? Tell me if you've got any doubts.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll go on to your DNF and your CNF. In your final expression, whatever you've got, your final tabular column, whatever you've got, you have to see for your 1. Wherever there is 1, you'll write your DNF for that. Okay. So when you're writing your DNF, I'll write that. Okay. You're going to write your DNF for this value, for your expression of your f of x, y, z. Okay. Whatever value you've got 1, you have to write your product. For your DNF, it is what they have given you. Your definition is your product of the min terms. Okay. Min terms is Boolean product. Okay. So what you have to see is you have to see your 1. Wherever there is 1, you are going to write it. Okay. So write the corresponding values. Here you've got x, y, and z. So it will be product, your Boolean product. Okay. And they have told what? DNF is nothing but your sum of your min terms. So your min term first value I've written. Next value you've got 1. Here you've got. So here it is plus x, y, and here is 0. So 0 means you'll write your complement. So this will be your DNF. No other, here you've got, here you've got. So again you'll write 1 plus. Now tell me for this. For 0, what you'll write? When it is 0, you'll
X
write
complement.
x complement. Very good. And this will become y. And here it will become z complement. So this is how you write your DNF. Okay, did you understand how you're writing a DNF? I will repeat it again. For DNF, you will see the final value. In your final value where you've got 1. Okay, in that final value, wherever there is 1, you will write the corresponding x, y, z. Okay, in your x, y, z, if you've got 1, you'll directly write it there. Okay, if there is 0 here, you'll write the complement. Okay, next we'll go on to CNF. Now, any doubt you've got in your DNF? Next, we'll go on to CNF. Okay, your CNF. CNF, what did you write? See the definition. It is the sum of the what? Sum of the max terms. What is your max term? Max term is nothing but Boolean sum. Okay. So you're going to write your wherever there is 0 value. Okay. Wherever there is 0, you'll be writing that value. Okay. And when you write it down, whatever is there, you'll write the opposite. Okay. You'll write the complement. Here, what you'll do, when it is 1, you will write the complement. For 0, you'll write the y value. Okay, because that is CNF. So here it is 0. So it will become x. Here you've got 1. So it will become x complement plus here it will become y plus your z will become z complement. This is product. Okay. So since it is product, you're going to multiply all the term. Similarly, you tell for the next term, here you've got 1, so that will become x complement plus here it will become y, here it's also 0. Similarly, tell me for the next value. Tell for the next value. What
X, Y complement.
x plus y complement
Plus
plus
Z complement.
very good. That's how you write. Okay. So that is the third one. Next we go on to the fourth one. So it will become x plus, here you will have to write plus because it is CNF. Okay. For DNF, it is product. Okay. X plus y plus your z complement. So that is your fourth one. And the last one, here you have to, you must not put plus in the middle. Okay. Only for DNF it is plus. Here it is product. So here it will become X plus Y plus Z. So this is how you find out your DNF and your CNF. Okay, write it down. Very important. Okay. They can give you one tableau column and they can give you the last value, these values, and they can ask you to find out your DNF and your CNF. They can give you this tableau column. In the tableau column, they can give you and they can ask you to write your DNF and your CNF. You have to know when it is 1, you'll write your DNF, and when it is 0, you'll be writing your CNF. And your DNF is nothing but product of the min terms. Okay, product of the min terms. What is your min term? Min term is nothing but your Boolean what? Product or sum. Min terms. What is your min terms?
Boolean product.
Boolean product. And your max terms will be a Boolean sum. Okay. So that's how you find out your DNF and CNF. So with this, we are finishing our portion. I will give you one more problem. We'll do that problem also. Any doubts you've got in your unit 5 up to this? So from the first, I will tell you what and all we have done. We have started with your what is your partition of a set. Okay, you have to know what is your partition of a set, and they can give you some set, and they can ask you whether it is a partition of a set or not. Okay, so that is one topic. Next, we went on to matrix representation of a matrix. Matrix representation of a relation. Okay, in your matrix representation of a relation, what and all is there? Your union, intersection, composite function, and then inverse, transpose, all those things are there. They can give you some values. They can give you a relation. They can ask you to find out your matrix relation. Otherwise, they can ask you find out the transpose. Okay, so all those things we went into your matrix representation of a relation. Then we went on to lattices, posets. Posets is also called as partially ordered set. Okay, definitely you will have some posets. In that posets, what it will be there will be hash diagram. You have to know what is your hash diagram. Your minimum value always will lie down. Okay. After that, whatever condition they are giving, if they are giving division, if they are giving multiplication, according to it, you will be drawing the diagram. After drawing the diagram, the highest value will be on top. That will be your hash diagram. Okay. After your hash diagram, we will go out to your Boolean algebra. In your Boolean algebra, lot of definitions are there. Okay. In your Boolean algebra, what is your Boolean expression? What is your Boolean function? What is your what is this? Min terms, max terms. What is DNF? What is CNF? And your canonical form of your DNF and your CNF, and how you can do it in your two table. This is your canonical form. This is nothing but your canonical form of your DNF, canonical form of your CNF. Okay. If they are asking you to find out your canonical form by using your two table, this is how you find out your canonical form. Okay. So with this, we finish the portion. Okay. And from the first, I will tell you what and all is there. In your unit 1, what was there? For your model exam point of view, I'm talking to you. In your unit 1, it was set. Okay, statistical definition, everything you go through all the definition in your set. Okay, and go through the MCQ which I have posted it in your Google Drive. In your second unit, it was all your PDNF, PCNF, your DNF, CNF, your truth table, everything. All those things are again repeated only. You all know it also very well. Your true false will be there. Okay, instead of your 1 and 0, it was true false there. And there also again the same conditions was followed. Okay, so go through it. If you've got any doubts before your model exam, please ask me. Don't ask me in the day before model exam. And who's that Gaurav? Gaurav here.